Hello, everyone. In this lecture, we'll learn how to create darts, an essential technique for making garments fit the body. Darts are a sewing technique where we pinch and sew fabric to transform a flat piece of fabric into a three-dimensional shape that fits the body's curves. Using the French sleeve dress from the library, we'll add darts to the bust area to create a more beautiful silhouette that follows the body's lines. From the library, double-click to load the French sleeve dress and complete the dressing process. Looking at the dress's bust area in the 3D view, you'll notice there's some looseness or extra fabric at the sides. We'll add darts here to create a beautiful silhouette that follows the bust line. There are two ways to create darts: drawing lines on the pattern in the 2D view or drawing lines directly on the 3D model. This time, we'll use the method of drawing directly in the 3D view. It's an easy-to-understand and efficient method, even for beginners. Select the 3D pen garment tool from the toolbar in the 3D view. This tool allows you to draw lines directly on the dress in the 3D view. Now let's draw the dart line. Click at the starting point on the side. Move the mouse toward the top of the bust and click. Then click at the ending point under the side and press Enter to complete. Next, make the drawn dart editable. Switch to the Edit 3D Pen Garment tool and select all the lines that make up the dart. Right-click the selected lines and choose Cut under Symmetric. Using Cut in Symmetric separates the pattern along the drawn line and automatically applies the same cut to the opposite, symmetrical position. This is a very useful feature when you want to create symmetrical darts. Once the cut is complete, the dart section will be separated into distinct parts. The small triangular pieces created by the cut are no longer needed. Select them and press the Delete key to remove them. Now we'll fine-tune the dart shape and length. Switch to the Edit Pattern tool. You can select and move the dart's apex points or the side points. Selecting a line displays its length. Aim to match the dimensions of the left and right darts as closely as possible. Here are the key things to adjust. First, the dart length. Ideally, the dart should end about 2 to 3 centimeters before the bust point. Second, the dart width. Adjust how wide the dart opens at the side seam. And third, the dart angle. Make sure the dart points naturally toward the bust point. As you work, it helps to reference photos or examples of real dresses to achieve a beautiful shape. Once you're happy with the dart shape, it's time to sew them closed. Using the Segment Sewing tool, click one side of the dart line, then click the corresponding line on the other side to create the seam. After all settings are complete, press the spacebar to run the simulation. You should see the darts sew together, creating a silhouette that follows the bust line.